Welcome back to TECHATOP, where we dive into the gear that makes your tech sound and perform its best. Today we are ranking the top 5 best speaker cables for audiophiles. From budget-friendly options that surprise with big performance to heavy-duty wires built for serious sound systems, this list covers it all. Whether you are fine-tuning your home theater, upgrading your car audio, or chasing pure hi-fi clarity, these speaker cables deliver. Let's count down the best choices you can get right now. Number 5. The Amazon Basics 16-gauge speaker cable is a solid option for both home and car audio setups. At 100 feet, it provides plenty of length for flexible use. The clear plastic jacket with a black polarity line makes installation simple and accurate, ensuring connections are set up correctly. The wire strips cleanly, feeds off the sturdy spool without tangling, and connects securely without issues. In terms of sound performance, it delivers clear signals with no distortion, allowing speakers to perform as expected. Some users even repurpose it for projects like radio antennas, showing its versatility beyond standard audio use. The bronze color is basic but serves its purpose well since the cable is usually hidden during installation. While time will determine long-term durability, the overall build feels sturdy and reliable. This cable is a straightforward and dependable choice that offers good quality at an excellent price. Number 4. The InstallLink 16 AWG speaker. Wire cable is a dependable and cost-effective choice for home theater, car audio, or studio setups. At 100 feet, it offers enough length to handle larger projects with ease. Constructed from copper-clad aluminum, it provides solid conductivity while keeping costs down, and most users will find the audio performance clear and reliable without noticeable signal loss. The frosted red and black design makes polarity identification simple, saving time during installation. Its soft flex jacket feels durable yet flexible, making it easy to route through tight spaces or conceal along walls and under carpets. Stripping is straightforward and the strands hold together well without fraying, which gives a frustration-free setup experience. Whether wiring a full surround system or adding speakers in a car, this cable feels trustworthy and practical. Overall, it is a well-designed, no-hassle solution that delivers strong performance at a great value. Number 3. The Kinter 16-gauge speaker. Wire cable is a straightforward yet impressive option that proves good audio starts with reliable wiring. At 100 feet in length, it provides plenty of coverage for home theater, surround sound, or car audio setups. Built with a 74-strand copper-clad aluminum design, it balances strong conductivity with affordability, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious audio enthusiasts. The clear PVC jacket is both flexible and durable, allowing for easy routing around furniture or through tight spaces, and the red polarity stripe ensures quick, accurate connections every time. The recyclable spool keeps the wire tidy and hassle-free during installation, which is a welcome touch. Sound performance is crisp and clean, offering clear delivery without distortion, so it works well for both music and movies. Overall, this wire is practical, easy to use, and dependable, giving excellent value and reliable performance for everyday audio setups. Number 2. The InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire is a dependable and well-built cable that offers the right mix of performance, flexibility, and value. At 100 feet long, it is well-suited for larger setups, whether you are wiring a home theater, adding speakers in an RV, or running audio in a car. The copper-clad aluminum design helps keep it cost-effective while still providing solid conductivity with minimal signal loss. The soft flex jacket feels durable yet pliable, making it easy to guide around corners or through tighter pathways without kinking. The frosted red and black color coding makes polarity identification simple, which saves time during installation and reduces wiring mistakes. At 14 gauge, it has a heavier feel compared to thinner wires, and it pairs nicely with screw-on connectors like banana plugs for secure, reliable connections. Overall, this cable is practical, sturdy, and delivers clean audio performance at a budget-friendly price. Number 1. The GEARit 14-gauge speaker. Wire offers a great combination of quality, durability, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for home theater, car audio, or custom installs. At 100 feet, it provides plenty of length for even large projects, and the sturdy spool makes it easy to dispense without tangling. The copper-clad aluminum construction helps keep it lightweight and affordable while still ensuring solid conductivity for clear and crisp audio performance. Its black PVC jacket feels durable enough to last, but remains flexible, making it easy to route around corners or through tight spaces. Stripping and cutting are straightforward and the strands stay neat instead of fraying apart, which makes attaching banana plugs or other connectors simple and frustration-free. With clear polarity markings, proper setup is quick, minimizing wiring mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TECHATOP for more in-depth tech reviews. Don't forget to ring the bell so you stay updated with all our latest content. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. For more details and product links, check out the description. See you in the next video.